Yo guys, stop putting pressure on your knees because I am back again with another brand new video. In this video, I will show you how to turn your trash quality videos into clean 4K quality. And trust me, it only takes a few minutes. And the best part is, you can use this on Windows, MacBook, iOS and even Android. So literally anyone can use it. So without wasting a single second, let's go. So the app name is Hitpaw Vikpea. It's available everywhere like the Play Store, App Store and Google. And I have also mentioned the download link at the top of my description. So you can easily download it there. And yeah, I know I already made a video about this before, but this is the updated version and it's actually much better than the previous one. So watch carefully. Alright, I have opened Hitpaw Vikpea on my computer. Once you open it, you will see a lot of options. And honestly, all of them are pretty useful. So simply click on video enhancer and import your clip. As soon as import your clip, you will see a lot of options on the right side, all made for enhancing videos. So here I am going to select the UHD restoration model, and if you can scroll a little down, you will find basic settings and advanced settings. I will choose advanced settings, then set the bitrate to 180 and now click on preview. It will take a little time. And once the enhancement is done, just look at the result. Guys, it enhanced this clip so well. Before it looked really low quality, but after enhancement it looks way better and much cleaner. And if you want to export it, you will find the export option at the bottom right side, from where you can easily save your video. Alright, let me show you another enhancement feature which is actually really good. So I will import another blurry clip again. Then from the option on the right side, go to the portrait restoration model and simply select portrait restoration model. After that, just click on preview and wait for a bit. Then you will see the result, which is honestly looks awesome. Personally, I really like the enhancement models of this software. Alright, let me show you on more feature that's actually super useful, the video generator. So I will go to the video generator section, and here you will find a lot of templates that you can use, but I'm going to use text to video. Simply click on the start button, and on the left side you will see many options like image to video, text to video and creative effects. So I will choose the text to video, and here I will paste my prompts and set the resolution for YouTube and keep the duration at 5 seconds. Here you will also find many models like Pixwords, Cdance, Kling and VEO. So I will choose Kling version 3 and hit the generate button. After waiting for a bit, my video is finally ready, and honestly it's look really original. And if I want to download it, I can simply click here and save it. So guys, personally I really like this software or app, and if you want to download it, make sure to check description. Till then, bye guys.